Hey you guys, you see I have one eye done. I will be doing this look after this video and you can definitely check that out. I think I'm gonna upload this look next, so after this video make sure you look out for this eye look. But this eye look is not complete. We are going to be adding liner and mascara, just testing out the new Benefit roller liner with demoing the roller lash mascara and testing out the new roller eye bright pencil. I know that I love their original eye bright pencil, so I'm really excited for this and this because this is a matte eyeliner. But before we get into this video, please subscribe at the button down below and let me know what videos you want to see, because in a couple weeks I'm going to be filming for a straight week, nothing but content. So just make sure you let me know what you want to see down below, and let's just get right into this video because I'm so excited to be demoing this liner, to be honest. Okay, so I never film on this side of my face, so definitely just bear with me because it's gonna be kind of like wonky and weird. I am a part of Benefit Club Pink, so this was sent to me, but no, this is not sponsored. I don't have to show these products, but I love Benefit. If you live in LA, there is a pop-up store. It is a roller liner diner pop-up shop from 112 to 121 at 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. It is on 7505 Melrose Avenue in Los Angeles, California. If you were there, I would go because I believe they have the milk shop there and it looks so good on their stories. So, but I do have all the information on this little sheet right here, so I can definitely give you what everything's supposed to be like. Okay, so let's start with the roller lash mascara. I tried this one time and I'm not sure what I remember about it. I know my mom likes it, I think, because I did give her 2 of these so far. The roller lash mascara is said to visibly lift lashes 97%. 87% said it gives a long-lasting curl. 94% said it makes eyes look more wide open. And it says at the bottom, it says bye bye eyelash curlers. So the packaging always cute, but this is a super curling and lifting mascara, so I don't know if it's okay. Like, if you're looking for volume, I'm not sure that this would be the right mascara because that's what I look for, and I believe that's why I give it to my mom. This is the packaging. It's really cute. The handle feels so good, to be honest. The brush is very plastic. It's kind of curved a little bit. The bristles are shorter on one side and longer on the other. I'll give you a close-up whenever we, zoom in so I can put mascara on my eyes. Mascara is going to come after lashes. I mean liner though, so bear with me. For the roller liner eyeliner, this is the roller liner. It's a true matte liquid liner. It's 24-hour wear, waterproof, precision felt tip, available in true matte black and true matte brown. So I really wish they would have sent the brown one too, because I love brown eyeliner. For like, it just, I feel like it opens, like it just, I love brown liquid liner so much. Okay, so let's just give this a try. It has the same cap as this, but this one's more rubbery. Like, it feels so good, but this one's like plastic. Like, you can kind of hear it in my mic. And then this one, you can see that you can hear the plastic and the rubber. I'm so excited for this. Like, and this is very precise. So let me just zoom you guys in and so you can see up close and personal. This is as close as I'm gonna get y'all because y'all don't need to be up on this broken out face. I'm just gonna take this mirror and just go with it. Like, I'm so excited for this. You can see how precise the tip is. Just bear with me because this eye, I'm not used to doing a liquid liner on camera on this eye. So I just like put my lashes down. Sometimes I have a really hard time with flicking out the line to make that really like tapered liner, but this one made that really easy. So let's just bring it back in. And that is very black. Getting kind of a thicker one so you can really see how matte it is. Then we're going to clean up that outer edge. Take it out just a little bit more. Okay, so that is beautiful. That is like a beautiful. Let's just continue to fill in the rest of my eye. Okie dokie. That is beautiful. Like, this is a Benefit, y'all did something here. And y'all know I like brush tips, but oh, look at this liner. Ooh, okay, Benefit, I see you. Sorry guys, there was a there's another dog in our walking path, so you know she got to protect her little property, I guess. But okay, on to, let's do the eye bright pencil, because so we can finish off this, so we can do lower lashes and upper lashes whenever we get to it. This is super cute. Look at this, it's so cute, and the same, like the same cap as the other one. And this eye bright roller, this roller eye bright eyeliner, it's no, it don't. They so fancy. You hear that? It doesn't go back down, so definitely be careful with how you pump it up. But I just did it a little bit so it doesn't break off or anything. And it says this is a brightening waterline eye pencil. And if you know me, I hate dark colors in my waterline because like my bags, like in my bags, I have like naturally sunken in eyes, so like it doesn't work for me. So that's why I love always have a bright waterline or a colored waterline, never black. I tried, I just don't, it's just not me. I'm just excited for this. So we're just gonna pop this in the waterline and stop procrastinating. I'm gonna warm it up on the back of my hand really quick. There we go. It's not as bright as the other one, to be honest with you. The original eye bright is very pink though. I need some more. I'm doing this in a very far away mirror, so just bear with me, y'all. By the way, you shouldn't pull your eye down like that too much, but my eyes are so sensitive, so I have to make sure I'm not touching them. So this pencil it's very creamy. It definitely was comfortable to put on. Like I've had pencils where they're really uncomfortable to put on. This one's very easy to put on. As we put on our liner, our our mascara, we'll see if it like removes some from the closing my eyes. So can't tell you all that now, but it is a really pretty brightening color. Like you can see the difference in my eyes. One's brighter, one looks more open and bright, and this one just whatever. Okay, let's try this mascara out again. This is the wand. With these, I'm really scared of clumpage. So and how like my hair is really fine. So even on my head, like I have really fine hairs. I just have a lot. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna do my mascara and just hope for the best. Okay, this isn't as bad as I remember it being. I really like how it's curved a little bit, not too much. I can really get like the shape of my eye and really work it into my lashes. But I do see them clumping up a bit, can't lie. But again, I have very, 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 very thin eyelashes. So, oh, I really like this because look how it, I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but look how it cuffs to my eye. So I make sure I don't get anything on my actual skin, my waterline, right under my, it's not messy is what I'm trying to say. It's not the blackest mascara, to be honest, but it is very lengthening and curling. It is very curling. Like my lashes are very lifted. But I'm gonna show you what I do to get rid of the clumping. I usually use this mascara, this spoolie. It has nothing on it, and I just brush through my lashes to make them a little bit more fluffy again. Here are, while I'm letting this dry, I'll show you a close-up of all of these products. Where is it at? Where did I put it? I'm always losing something. So here's the 3 products. Super cute, super benefit, super pink, honestly, and by first impression, super good. Like, look at that wing! You guys, like, the wing, no, I'm so loving it. Yeah, I need Red Bull. But make sure you watch out for this look. I am going to add some false lashes to this, so why not? But make sure you watch out for this look, and definitely make sure you subscribe and leave down below what you want to see next. And I will leave all the information about these 3 products down below. And yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys.